Did you know that the immune system is complex? And did you also know that it is one of the most critical functions of our body? Your immune system helps protect you from all kinds of infections, bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. They even help fight and kill cancer cells. However, with so many challenges that we face regularly like air pollution or stress, our immune system gets weaker over time. This article will tell you about the wonder berry elderberry and how it can help strengthen your immunity this winter. What is an elderberry? Elderberries are a type of shrub or small tree that grows in temperate regions around the world. They have been used for thousands of years for their health benefits and are also referred to as sambucus or European elder. They are also known for their beautiful flowers that bloom in the summer and fall. In terms of nutritional value, elderberries are very high in vitamin C, fiber, and minerals like iron and copper. They are also a great source of protein and healthy fats. The elderberry has many different health benefits and can be used in many different ways. They can be eaten raw, dried, and used in teas, jams, and even wine. They are also used in folk medicine and herbalism for their antiviral and immune-boosting properties. Why are elderberries so good for our immunity? Elderberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that boost the immune system. They have high levels of vitamin C and vitamin E, which help to fight colds and other infections. Elderberries are also a great source of minerals like iron, copper, and zinc that help to boost the white blood cells in the body that fight infections. All these combined make elderberries a wonderful food for immunity. Studies show that elderberry extract can be as effective as some medications for colds and the flu. The high anthocyanin content in elderberries makes them very effective at boosting immunity. Anthocyanins are pigments that make berries blue, red, and purple. They are also antioxidants that help to fight free radicals in the body. Benefits of elderberry for the immune system. Elderberries can help fight allergies. Some studies have found that elderberries can reduce allergic reactions in the body such as sneezing, runny nose, and itching. Allergy symptoms are triggered when the immune system mistakenly identifies certain harmless substances as dangerous. When that happens, the immune system releases chemicals, like histamine, to fight the substance. When too many histamine-producing cells are released, allergies can occur. And elderberries can help. Elderberries can help fight colds, flu, and other infections. Elderberry is a natural home remedy that is effective in shortening the duration and symptoms of viral infections like the common cold, flu, and gastroenteritis. Elderberries are high in vitamin C and E, anthocyanins, and other antioxidants that help boost the immune system and fight infections. Elderberries can help reduce the risk of asthma. Some studies have found that the regular consumption of elderberries can reduce the risk of asthma in children. Elderberries are high in fiber and protein. These nutrients are very important for immunity as they can help reduce inflammation and promote healthy gut bacteria and digestive function. Elderberries are high in minerals. Elderberries are a rich source of iron, copper, and zinc that can help boost the white blood cells in the body that fight infections. How to eat elderberry? Elderberries can be eaten raw, dried, or cooked. You can add them to your smoothies, teas, salads, pies, or even wine. Elderberries can be added to your favorite recipes or consumed as is. Just make sure to remove the seeds before eating them. You can also use elderberry extract. You can also use elderberry syrup or jam when you are not able to eat elderberries raw or cook with them. You can also use elderberry syrup or jam when you are not able to eat elderberries raw or cook with them. Tips to boost your immune system naturally with elderberry. Drink elderberry tea. A cup of elderberry tea is a great way to boost your immunity. You can also add it to smoothies or teas. Eat elderberry berries. You can eat elderberry berries alone or add them to your favorite recipes like pies and baked goods. Eat elderberry jam. Elderberry jam is a wonderful way to enjoy the benefits of elderberry. You can spread it on your toast for breakfast or use it as a topping for your pancakes. Add elderberry extract to your favorite recipes. You can add elderberry extract to your favorite baked goods, smoothies, or drinks. Get your daily dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that is needed for a strong immune system. You can get your daily dose of vitamin C from fruits and vegetables like oranges, kiwis, grapefruits, and tomatoes. Conclusion: Elderberries are a wonderful immunity booster due to their high vitamin C and anthocyanin content. They can help fight allergies, boost immunity, and fight colds, flu, and other infections. Elderberries can be eaten raw, dried, or cooked, and you can add them to your favorite recipes. You can also use elderberry syrup or jam when you are not able to eat elderberries raw or cook with them. Get your daily dose of vitamin C and eat elderberries to boost your immunity this winter.